na babalik kayo sa kanyang ilan sa regular lang. Pero during the processional, hindi nyo papasok kasi naka-reserve ko once a year. Diba na? So when I call your name, proceed to the front with high honors, a Hoover or a Hoover Brand Gabriel Pena. Alcobilla, Ashley Rose. Salamo, Paul Joshua, Salimbaga, Joshua, Santos, Miguel, Celta, Linacho, Celta, Linacho, Simon, Cristano, Simon, Cristan, Talento, Rita Joyce, Tolentino, Anthony John, and Pata, Nico, De La Cruz. They are with honors, CCS, with honors. CCS, Antón Rahima Arroyo, Ampa John Paul, Asuncion Altea, Pamo Rich Island, Karina Samar, Wolfano Missouri, Casa Tom Steven, Kakampang Albert Moro, Santo, Geraldine, Simarta, Sheena Pinzela, Juan John Paul, Marvin Angela, Verona, Lorenzo, Halili, John, John Andrew, mga sandad, Gastel, mga sine, Rubel Reyes, Magdaleno Rauchi, Martinez, Mark Dylan, Mendoza, Mario, Omar, Had, Ruraya, Manuel, Salinas, Joshua, San Pedro, Joshua, Santos, Vietnam, Valdez, Wayne, J. Valiant, and Del Mar, Ricardo, Joshua. Sa Lord, ICC will explain further yung setup nito. So ngayon, butas tayo mga space dyan, pwede na natin i-filling para makapagin maayos. So, abate na po tayo mga filling. So, 67 per line. Sa kabila na, 7 per line. Magkakasunod pa rin na 7 per line. Marshall Skills Assist. So, later, pagtanggap ng diploma, pag nakita nyo yung sinusundan ninyo na malapit na, saka lang kayo pupunta para sa honors. Clear? Everybody stand straight. Stand na maayos. We'll proceed now with our rehearsal. Madam?
Everyone may be seated momentarily for safety Please watch this protocol video from PICC.
Assuming you are seated. Thank you.
When you hear this sound, it means that we are having an emergency situation. But there's no need to panic. Keep calm, take deep breaths, and follow these safety reminders. First, find your nearest exit. Exits are located at the following points. If you are seated at the west wing of Glenn Hall, your nearest exits are the two doors located on the left. If you are seated at the east wing of Glenn Hall, your nearest exits are the two doors located on the right. If you are on the second floor of the balcony of Glenn Hall, you may choose one of the following exits: the west wing exits, the east wing exits, or the exit doors leading towards the lobby. If you are on the third floor of the gallery of Leonard Hall, your exit doors are located here, leading towards the lobby. Next, vacate premises in a calm and orderly fashion. Please avoid running, pushing, and shoving. Security personnel will be on hand to assist you. Once you are outside the building, walk calmly towards your designated assembly area. Our assembly area is across the San Antonio Street at the CCP Sunday parking lot. Kindly wait until the area is secure and safe. If it helps, you can take deep breaths while you wait. For your safety, always remember to keep calm and keep these steps in mind.